Hello everyone and welcome to Renishaw at IMTEX 2025. This time the IMTEX is different to us. We have put together a CNC machine in an user interactive format, a game which you can come and experience at our booth. Not just that, we are also launching a couple of solutions. First is the world's smallest micro probe, RMP24. Also, we are introducing the smart manufacturing data platform, Renishaw Central. Along with that, we also got our all-new fixturing kit, Metrology fixturing kit. And we have all our solutions which are demonstrating our theme, automation for everyone. All our equators are put on an automation sale, which you can come and experience live demos. Our CMM solutions here, which are demonstrating the cutting edge solutions which the Renishaw has produced over the last 50 years. Thank you so much.